Let's make some tassels. I'm using a Clover tassel maker, some Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I have scissors handy and a tapestry needle. Your tassels will look like this. They're fun embellishments for a lot of your crochet projects. Pretty simple to make when you have this little tool. So this is what a tassel maker looks like. There's these little screws here. If you just loosen them, you can adjust the size of your pom-pom. So this is about medium size right now, but oh, I'm gonna loosen it a little more. You can adjust. So this would be your smallest setting, or you can make it medium, or you can make it super large. I'm just gonna make, where was I at? About the medium size. Just line it up on the edges. So tighten your screws. Okay. You are going to go ahead and take your yarn. I just wrap it around this little screw here, and then you start wrapping it around the middle. I'm going to wrap it about 16 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I'm just going to come back around, wrap it around this one. Just clip your yarn. Now you're going to take another pretty long strand here. All right, and we are going to tie it around the center. Okay. Just tie it really tight around the center. Okay, you can go ahead and knot it a few times. Also, I'm going to make a loop here. All right, and then I'm going to tie that as well. Okay, so this will be kind of the top. Just this a little bit, make it a little smaller. There we go. And then you could tie that again just to knot that one. Okay. Now, you can let these go. You're going to take your scissors, and you see this little ridge here? So you're going to cut. I just kind of hold it in the middle. I cut right along that ridge. I'm still kind of holding it, turning it over, doing the same on this side. Okay. Now we have it like this. I'm just going to grab my loop. You're going to fold over all your little tassels. You're going to see you kind of have these long ones. You're going to take one, and this is how we make the little ball on top of the tassel, kind of the neck part. All right, so I'm just kind of holding it. I'm taking my long strand. What you're going to do is you're just going to wrap it around where you kind of want that little neck to be. Wrap it really tight a couple times. Just hold it there. I take my tapestry needle at this point. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I just wrap it, I just send my tapestry needle right under where I was, kind of down through the middle. Pull it really tight. There you go. Okay, so you have that nice little, you can pull these tight if you want. You have that nice little neck part. Now you can trim the bottoms. So I just kind of take this, just want to trim off so it's all even. Take your scissors, trim, trim, trim. You shouldn't have that much to trim. Okay. Ta-da! You have your pretty little tassel.